DC here. Well, hi guys, I'm showing you this tree ahead of time because this is one of our old apple trees, which I'll be getting ready to trim now. Hope the weather holds up. We've had really great weather, but the wind's been coming up, which is not something that's actually all that fun when you're getting ready to trim the tree. Well, anyway, as you can see, there's quite a few branches that'll be needed to be taken away, but mostly small ones from last year. So, have to get to work now. Talk to you in a bit. DC here. Hi again, guys. Well, now I'm getting ready to go and do my work, and I thought before doing it I'd show you the usual tools. I mean, sorry for most of you guys that know all about this, but I mean, like, so first thing, the pruning shears. The pruning shears are absolutely necessary, as you can imagine, not only for rose bushes, but for cutting off all those branches. And special little saw, just really cuts, I mean, like mad, but always very handy for those branches that are slightly bigger. As you can imagine, you don't do that without your handy old gloves. You wouldn't want to scratch yourself up or cut yourself with those branches. Good old do-it-yourself ladder. This is not really probably the best ladder for climbing into trees, but it does the job. And what I do, since it's on rather muddy ground, I have these things, which actually I put at the end of the ladder, and then you put them into the ground. I mean, you just press these things into the ground, and it solidifies the ladder quite a bit. And last but not least, these extendable pruning shears, which are also very handy. As you can imagine, there are times when you really have to get far off, and you need these things. I can imagine, as NH Rancher Relaxa was saying the other day, they're probably all made in China. Well, I guess we're helping their economy as well. Well, I guess I better get to work. It's not looking all that nice, and the wind's coming up. So, talk to you in a bit again. Okay, so let's just climb up that ladder. I should be getting to work, but showing you all these things is keeping me away, but it doesn't matter. So here you see the side of the house. And now as we climb up into the ladder, there you are. You can see what I'm talking about all these branches that are going to have to go. This is the yearly growths. So, a bit of work there. So, I guess I better get the work actually if I want to get it done. It's really a bit of a pain. There wasn't any wind earlier this morning, and now it's really come up. That's not actually the best thing. You can see we got a nice place for a garden. Although I think this year we won't be making much of a garden for different reasons. Compost, 3-4 barrels in the back there make compost, so humus, and that's about it. So if I don't get to work, nothing's going to get done here, because I mean, I guess I can catch virtual colds on the internet, but nobody can actually get to work. So I'll talk to you later on. Bye bye. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. That was a few hours work. Hope you can see some difference. I'm quite happy with the work, actually. And let's just hope that we'll have a few apples this year, and then I can show you how we make some cider. Okay, so this is DC signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.